Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major Cook Month. For today's episode, get ready to turn your holiday spirit up a notch with this Christmas jingle juice. This merry concoction will spread joy throughout your holiday party. So join me in the kitchen to mix up a drink that will have you singing carols and toasting all the way to the New Year's. So let's make it major. Welcome to Everything's Major Cook Must. A countdown to Christmas. Merry Cookmas. Everything's Major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. For the ingredients we'll be using for our jingle juice is Remy XO, Malibu Rum, Sprite, Grenadine, and some lemon slices. Now let's pop open our Remy XO. We're going to pour 2 ounces of Remy into our glass, 2 ounces of Malibu Rum. Now add a big old splash of grenadine. Now top with some Sprite or lime soda. Let me take a sip real quick to make sure it's right. Yep, this is the one. It is beautiful and vibrant and merry. Oh, I gotta take a picture of this. Now let's kick up this cocktail a notch by adding in some cinnamon sticks. Yes, now this is beautiful. This drink is so good I had to make my hubby a drink too. This Christmas jingle juice not only dazzles the eyes with its vibrant color, but also delight the taste buds. The Remy XO and Malibu Rum really paired well together for a delightful blend of flavors. It's not just a drink, it's a sip of holiday magic. So let the jingling commence. For this holiday season, toast with your loved ones and have a beautiful Merry Christmas filled with love and happiness and a safe and prosperous New Year. Now enjoy your holiday season responsibly with this wonderful cocktail. Well, until the next delicious encounter, family, I will see you guys again real soon next time on Everything's Major Cook Must. Bye. God bless. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.